Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I'm happy you joined me here today. I am so excited about this pour. I had a marvelous weekend. I went up to visit my friend Courtney Hauscher from Courtney Hauscher Art, and we hung out in her lovely backyard and grilled and had a few cocktails and chatted and just had the best time. Now, Courtney's kind of taking a break right now from painting, and she's concentrating on family and friends and her beautiful dyed organic fabrics and clothing and napkins and tablecloths, and I got to actually see and touch them and come home with a lovely shirt that's just got my name all over it, and I thank you for that, Courtney. But she had a bunch of products in her little studio that she wasn't needing anymore, and I came home with some wonderful things, some wonderful golden paints, some GAC 800, and these babies. This is a jug of her pre-mixed pearl paint. This is a jug of her pre-mixed golden copper, a jug of her golden carbon black, a jug of her golden iridescent silver, and a jug of her golden iridescent gold fine, already pre-mixed with pouring medium. No water. Courtney doesn't use water, and she only uses her fluid paints like this. This is one of the paints, the golden iridescent silver. Excuse me, that was golden iridescent gold. This is golden iridescent silver. Golden iridescent copper right there. So all of these paints are fluid, and Courtney's pouring medium is 75% golden GAC 800 and 25% Floetrol. She uses a little more GAC than I do. I'm a little shyer with my GAC number 1 because of the cost of it, but the paints in this jug are more fluid than the paints that I usually use when I do a swipe. So I am channeling my teach, my girlfriend, my darling Courtney Hauscher, and I will post a link to her channel. She is the first person that I watched accidentally. I just saw a little pop-up thing with one of her, pop-up YouTube thing with one of her swipes, and I thought to myself, this is the type of abstract art that I want to do, and I just watched everything 2 or 3 times on her channel and took notes and practiced and this and that. So that's why I call her my teach. She is the reason that I got into this acrylic pouring, and I am beyond grateful, and I am determined to pay it forward. So we are doing a Courtney swipe today. In the box of paints was even one of these. Now, if you all watch Courtney, she uses her high school paper towels and spritz them with water to do a long swipe. I often cut my paper towels into different sections, but I am going to do 100% Courtney swipe today. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these big old jugs and I'm going to put a little bit of paint in these cups because those big old jugs are hard to pour out onto our canvas, and we're going to get busy, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's have some fun. Let's do some swiping.
'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh, 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 oh. I go oh, 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 oh. I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, dig deeper. I knew sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules I've gone before. Like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh, 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 oh. I go oh, oh, oh. I sing along. But the look in your eyes when you told me goodbye is the